Bigasuo is one of the well-known brands out there when you are talking about projectors, which are not only affordable but also highly feature-rich for budget buyers. The Bigasuo Projector under $200 is present in the first position in this list, since this can be a great pick for those who are looking for something highly affordable. Even though this is a highly affordable projector, it not only comes with a screen size of up to 200 inches, but also includes an inbuilt DVD player. As for its image quality, you get a decent native resolution of 1280 by 720 with it. However, the given lamp brightness of just 5,500 lumens certainly reflects its entry-level price tag, since it is not the most powerful option out there. That being said, you do get a 3-year long warranty with it, which is always great to have for reliability. Best features of this item: runs at a native resolution of 1280 by 720. Offers a screen size of up to 200 inches. Outputs a brightness of up to 5,500 lumens. Comes backed by a 3-year long warranty. Pros of this item: highly affordable projector for buyers on a budget. Combines a projector along with an inbuilt DVD player. Decent build quality and included warranty period for the given price. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.